Hey everybody, it's Eddie again here from Tully Nurseries, and this week I just wanted to give you a brief snapshot of our range of English and French lavenders. If we start at the front here, we've got our English. We've got this little one here which is a white one, which is Alba. It's gorgeous. We also have Sawyers just coming into flower there now, and Vera, which is great. And then we have a range of 2 litre French. This particular one here I really like. This is Princess. It's new to us this year and has been selling extremely well so far. And also I wanted to draw your attention to is a new range we're doing is a 3 litre French lavender, and we've got some new exciting varieties for you this year. This one here is Summer White. It's an absolutely gorgeous one. It's pretty compact, nice tight habit on it and plenty of flower buds. And also this one here is Alexandria. It's just about to open here, and it's by all accounts an absolutely stunning plant. And also then we have this one here called Summer Pink. So it's a really nice colour. It starts dark and then moves out on the colour spectrum. And then also we have a range of 2 litre French as well, just coming into flower there. So check out the list, folks, and thanks for watching.